I'm going to talk about a problem which is very common problem, and the name of the problem is I am making a lot of mistake while speaking English. Why I am making a lot of mistake while speaking English? Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? I hope you all guys are doing great. Welcome again to this new video. I'm your English Wali ma'am and my name is Dineshwari. Today in this video I'm going to talk about a problem which is very common problem, and the name of the problem is I am making a lot of mistake while speaking English. Why I am making a lot of mistake while speaking English? Friends, if you are a beginner and you want to learn English but you are making a lot of mistake while speaking English, so this video is for you. Friends, today in this video I am going to tell about this problem, that why you are making a lot of mistake and what you have to do. So this video is going to be very interesting and very informative for you. So make sure that you watch this video till end. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Friends, today I am going to tell something about myself. Friends, when I started my English learning journey, I used to do a lot of mistakes, but I never ever care about that, because I know this thing very well that I am learning this language. So I don't care about that if I am making mistakes. If I am making mistakes, so I will improve myself by practicing. That's why I practice a lot and now I am able to speak English. You know what, friends, what you have to do? If you are making mistake, so it's okay. It's happened with everyone and it's happened with me. So if you are making mistakes, so you have to think, just let it go. I will improve myself day by day. And if you are making mistakes, so you don't need to think about that. You just need to focus on your practice. You just need to work hard for learn this language, and you will see that you are improving. And literally, friends, you will improve yourself by practicing only. So if you are making mistakes, so don't think about that, just learn English language. And I know this thing very well that you want to learn English, but making mistake problem is annoying you. That's why you are thinking that what I should do. So friends, I hope that you understood that what you have to do. You know what, making mistake problem is very common and it's happened with everyone. So you don't need to think about that, you just need to keep your practicing, and you should practice each and every day. It's very important. And if you really want to improve yourself, so practice is very important for you. So I hope you understood everything. And if you are making a lot of mistakes, so just let it go. Okay? And I hope you got your answer of this question, that why you are making a lot of mistake and what you have to do. So what you have to do, you have to do only practice. It's your key of your success, of your speaking fluently this language. If you really want to be a fluent English speaker, so practice each and every day to speak English language and maintain consistency of learning this language. Okay? So thank you so much for watch this video till end. And if you haven't liked this video, so make sure that you like this video and share this video to your friends and your relatives. And if you haven't followed me, so make sure that you follow me, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and keep learning.